welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another makeup vlog, and I'm really excited to do this kind of makeup look because I'm actually planning to be productive in this remaining quarantine days and do some makeup vlogs like this, aesthetic looks and also art vlogs, because that is the kind of content that I usually do. And yeah, but we're not really sure if the quarantine will gonna be extended or when it will be end. Well, as you can see, my decorations or my room is not that really nice as of this moment because I'm is all matte. And then under your eye, just use the same color, which is the hot red, and yeah, just apply it with a small eyeshadow brush. So after that, I applied blush on powder. This is from Maybelline, and I like how it turned out because it looks like cherry pink. And yeah, just apply that on your cheek, also on your nose to look cute. Okay, so I really want to be cute on this makeup look, so I added some eyeshadow glitter on my eyelid, and I just followed the line of my eyelid. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it because yeah, whatever. And this is my favorite part because I really want to draw something on my face, so I plan to draw a cherry fruit on my face using a concealer and also a red eyeshadow. I also added some stem and leaves using a concealer as well, and then I added some green eyeshadow. After that, I applied some eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner, and I'm using a liquid eyeliner brush. Is that how you explain it or describe it? I'm not really sure. But make sure that you have a wing eyeliner on your eyes just to look cute. So this is the final look for this makeup tutorial. I hope you like it, lovies, and please comment down below if you have any ideas that you want me to do on my next vlog, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you're new here, and also like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, lovies.